I usually don't talk in my videos, but might as well start and see how this microphone works. I don't know if I'm yelling or what. I just finished semi-restore my 2007 525 EXC, and this is its first trip, my first trip with it after the restore. So we'll see how it goes, and I'll try and talk on the trail, but not sure how that goes because I'm a goofball and can't really concentrate on chewing gum and walking at the same time. So we'll see. Thanks. This area is Roscoe Canyon, and I don't know, the locals call it the second gate. There's a third gate we call Lusardi, and that one's more of a fast pace, not as technical. It's kind of like a 2.5 track, but it's more free flowing. This one, this road leads to the top. It's called, the locals call it the glider port. It's also called the Pines. And this is basically just a fire road, but it has so much different terrain. It gives you all the riding variations that you want. It's got rocks, roots, it's fire road, soft sand, loose sand, powder. I haven't ridden since I went to the desert around Christmas time. Just after that, I bought this and started restoring it, and it took all my time, almost 5 months. The only thing I didn't do to this is set the suspension, static sag, brake sag. I was just too anxious to get it out, to be honest. But the suspension was done by the previous owner from a company called Suspension 101 in Alpine, California. And he was 185 pounds. I I don't know if that was geared up. He looks like a pretty big guy, and I'm between 225 and 230 geared up. So I'm sure the suspension's a little soft, but I didn't go back to factory settings on the clickers or anything, so the suspension's okay right now, but I'm not really doing anything. So I'll do that next weekend when I see if it's too soft for my style of riding. And it might be, and if it is, I'll give it back to Suspension 101 and have them redo it. Rained up here. So I'll put a link on the video to Thumper Talk and ADV Rider as far as the, not really a build thread, but what I did to it. So far, so good. The front wheels, I looked at it in the dark unfortunately, but it's got a couple of dings in it, and I didn't want to balance it because I'll probably get a new one anyway. It's too far gone. I think there's 3 total dents in it, and it has a crack, so might as well. Been to it this far, keep going. And I have my graphics kit coming, so I'll put that on next weekend too.